So in many cases what happened, like the file is not there in the location and you need to create a new file. So how you can create a new file, that I'm going to explain in this example. So for creating the new file, you need to create object to the file class, which is available on the java.io. And I could give the path. Let's say I want to create file at this path. So what I will do it, I will just copy this to escape this slash. So I will write double slash, let's say text uh, file dot txt. I want to create the text file, so I will simply save it file, and whenever this file is created, it will send you the result in a boolean format, that is the result, so true or false, right? So if file is created, then I will say okay, file is this. If file is already there, then it will go to the else part, and it will simply say that the file is already created, or if there is an exception, then it will give you the exception. So let's say java c create file example.java java create file. See, this file is created. Now if I will run it again, because that file is already created, it should give the file already exists at the location. File already exists at the location. So this is how you could create a new file through the file object.